Every time I check out a new sport that I've never seen before, out of respect for the sport, I always tend to check it out and know more about it. And I found out that it was one of the most dangerous sports in the world, that a lot of people have died while participating in it. That made me more curious. So I want to check out this Isle of Man TT, top speed moments. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Whoa, man.
Look at that. How did he keep that up?
These are very steep corners. This is scary. Whoa! Man, if I was riding this bike, I'd probably feel like I'm supposed to go to the toilet. Seriously, this is too fast. My tummy will be running. I'll be trying to be like, I have to go to the toilet. Look at that! Look at that! From this view, it's so scary to see. Damn! Look at that! Whoa! Any accident at this point, any slip up somewhere, man, that is scary, man. What the hell? This is a wet ground. That was a wet ground. Damn, this is so fast. This is too fast. Dude, shift. To be honest, this is so scary. This is so scary because, like, let's just say one of the drivers was drunk. Okay, not drunk. Was high on some other thing and just swept with that speed. You can't escape it. With that speed, you cannot escape it. It's going to hit you. Like, let me say it was coming towards this guy and he wasn't looking. Even if he was looking, with that speed, you won't be able to move fast enough. And this race form, I'm seeing there is no protection around the place, like no guarding, no barriers anywhere. This is so dangerous. This is dangerous, man. Do they make money? Because, like, so, I don't want to sound like some gold digger, but there are some sports that I wouldn't participate if I wasn't paid handsomely. You know what I'm saying? I hope that these spectators actually paid for it. I don't know whether because it's almost like they're standing by the side of the street. So anybody cannot come and stand by the side of the streets, right? Or is it restricted? I just don't understand this. I hope they're earning enough money. This is too dangerous. Damn. Look at this guy.
Is that in my chips?
Thank God it was not. Oh, he continued. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Mom. Damn. Damn, this is so. Wow! They're moving like they're almost moving as fast as a plane. Obviously, that is an exaggeration. But the way it looks from here, the speed it looks from here, it seems like they're almost as fast as a plane on a runway. Seriously, I'm not joking. This is how it looks. What the hell? Look at that. Whoa! What the hell? Guys, this is faster than a plane. Okay. A plane on a runway. This looks faster than a plane on a runway. I know that the plane is very big, so it makes it look like it's not that fast. But this is faster than a plane on a runway. Seriously, this is scary. Why are their wives or their girlfriends? Why did I allow them to do this?
No fucking ways. No. Oh, for fuck's sake. No.
I wouldn't be able to stand by this thing. Seriously, I will stand very, very far from it. I can't. All the nightmares that is in my brain right now, I wouldn't want to be part of it.
Oh, mother.
It's a class one.
I wouldn't be able to. Seriously, you cannot react fast enough. All this thing I'm just saying because you can't really predict what could happen in the future. But what if any of these guys swerve badly? Like you can't react fast enough. I can't hang around this.
That's quick.
These guys aren't even shaking. They're not even shaking. Guys, am I the only one that saw? That was very close. That was very, very close. They're not even shaking. I mean, they must be very, very used to it. They probably participated in hundreds of it, I guess. By the way, I doubt it's hundreds because from what I read, the Isle of Man is only once a year. I think if I got that correctly. If I'm wrong, guys can tell me down in the comments. But from what I saw, I think it was once a year. So obviously they can't participate up to 100 times. But even with that, man, even if I participated in this thing 10 times, I wouldn't be able to stand comfortably. Man, no way I would stand on by the side of that road. No way I wouldn't stand on by the side of that road. That is just too close, and these things are so fast. I wouldn't be able to react fast enough. That is also scary. I'm really afraid to ask if there are videos of Isle of Man disasters. I wouldn't want to watch it on the channel because at the end of the day, YouTube will even allow me to post it, even if maybe they will allow me to post it, but obviously it will be demonetized. But I'll probably like to check it out. After I'll check it out, no need for anyone. I'll search for it because this is crazy. This is so scary to see. And the reason why I want to watch this kind of videos is because I want to validate my fears. Because the way I'm feeling right now, I wouldn't be able to stand by the side of that road. I wouldn't be able. I would not be able. Seriously, I would be so uncomfortable, so unsafe. I'll feel so unsafe by standing by the side of that road. So, but I guess this is a very interesting spot for people that love it. And I'm just wondering, those people that stand not at the finish line, by the road, when the motorcycles are just passing by them very fast, what are they really enjoying about it? Because imagine now, all motorcycles pass you. Let me say there were like 20 in competition, and all 20 of them pass you by in 2 seconds? What do you really gain from that? Seriously, I can't imagine paying good money to go and stand and look at that, because I'm not really experiencing everything. I'm just experiencing like 2 seconds of it. Seeing guys driving motorcycles on the very, very fast, high speed in like 2 seconds, and that is over for me for the day. That is crazy. I'm not sure I'll be able to pay for that. But if it's for free, fine. But to pay for that, I don't know about that. What do you guys think? Would you pay for that kind of experience? Let me know that in the comments. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the reaction. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you are new. Like the video to get it out to more people. Peace.